What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey y'all, it's your girl Yana and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post another freaking video. Anyways, today is gonna be on I forgot the product. What is wrong with me? Video is gonna be on Aztec clay mask, the Indian healing clay. I've used this multiple times and it is like, I love this. I don't do it often, but I used to. I just need to get that flow back because I'm missing this out of my life. Anyways, I only got like a little bit, but in that recent product haul, I had to stock up, man. Had to stock up. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all how I mix it up and what you're supposed to do, and yeah.
DJ flame it up. DJ flame it up. DJ flame it up. DJ flame it up. Alright, meu fish these. DJ flame it up.
When I tell y'all, if y'all, it's going to be messy. Therefore, I got 2 towels, even though it ain't gonna stay on me. While putting this in my hair, all I'm doing is finger detangling. Just mix my hair with this so it can be damp or whatever as I apply the mask on my head. I'm debating if I should put it on my face. Yeah, I think. We gonna see. Don't talk about my head, please don't. It's old.
DJ flame it up.
My hair been a middle part wash and go. My head been a puff. My head been 2 puffs and slick back. It's been like a week and 2 days. Anyways.
Alright, meu fish these. DJ flame it up. DJ flame it up. Flame it up. DJ flame it up. DJ flame it up. Alright, meu fish these. DJ flame it up. DJ flame it up. Alright, meu fish these. DJ flame it up.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Think about
DJ flame it up. DJ flame it up.
working. But y'all, I'm really debating if I should put this on my face. Should I put it on my face? It's already half on my face. So shit. I guess I'll go ahead and put it on my face. This stinks. Ooh, this stinks so bad. Ooh, this stinks so bad, y'all. Have I done this on my face before? This is like my second time doing this. It looks so ugly. So messy. Let this dry 40 minutes or whenever it get dry. I'll be back. Okay, so this definitely is not 45 minutes. I learned some change. I don't like the face mask. My face had this tingling feeling. Never again. It was tingling like it was burning, and I feel like I'm saying, "Where's fucking love, dude?" Here's the fine though. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie. I'll go ahead and wash this out. My face freaking hurt so bad, y'all. Like. Never doing it on my face ever again. I'll be right back. Okay, so y'all, this is my hair. Off and luscious and some stuff. This is my hair with no product, no deep conditioner, no nada. That's why you should go get this product. It'll change your life. Anyway, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next video. Most likely I'm gonna wash and go, so y'all stay tuned for that.